Hello mga people! Welcome to another show of Urban Living dito sa Amerika. Maging maliit o malaki ang bahay nyo, basta maganda, pakikita namin dito. Anyway, with me is the fashion and beauty guru, Miss Angel Texon of the... What's your show again, Angel?
Style Guardian.
Style Guardian. Can you tell me more of what inspired the owner of this house?
Okay, well actually this house is owned by my very good friend, which is Dr. Ron Cayetano. You know him?
Look at the camera.
Yeah, so the house is owned by my friend. It's actually more of a contemporary. It's a Asian fusion mixed with from all different countries from Asia. Thailand, China, Philippines, all over the world actually. So if you guys want to take a look at it.
Okay, let's go. Let's start with this chair. Wow, wow, wow. One of the favorite furniture I like in this house. Angel, can you tell me more about this furniture?
Well, this is actually a vintage chair. If you look at it, it's very old, like 19 or I don't know when exactly, but I know it's very old. But it's very expensive, so we don't really sit on it.
And when I was talking to you earlier, wow, you could even recline it, that this chair was bought around $5,000 if I'm not mistaken. And of course, we also have a touch of Thai.
Yeah,
and
that one we bought that in Thailand directly.
Oh, directly from Thailand? Yeah. It was shipped here? Bongga! I mean, this house is just not really big, but how the placement of the furniture, it's still a lot of space. It's never cluttered. That's what I like about this design. And of course, you could see another...
This one is also a Thai-inspired
design. And there's another one here. Of course, another Thai. Look at the blending of colors. And of course, the furniture, Angel, tell me, the combination.
This table is antique. But the good thing about this house, as you can see, it's a mixture of vintage furnitures and also modern. Because this one looks very modern. You can see the sofas are very modern. But for the completeness of the living room, it's look really amazing.
Wow! Ang ganda-ganda talaga ng bahay na to. Talagang creative na creative. Anyway, I want to thank Angel Texon. Angel, can you tell me more about yourself? I know you're the beauty guru right now.
Oh yeah, well, I want to invite you guys to watch my mini web series, which is Style Guardian. You can watch it on YouTube and also, of course, in our website
www.philamtickets.com.
Yeah.
Anyway, kung maging maliit o malaki ang bahay nyo, basta bonggang-bongga! Tawagan lang ho kami or email kami sa www.philamtickets.com. Again, this is Jovi Zamora of Urban Living dito sa Amerika.